Hello everyone, this is Divyesh Panchal. Today we are learning how to create a login page in a WordPress. For that we have to just create login to our website. If you are new here, just click the subscribe button, right? And just go to the plugin section and add a new plugin called Sina, Sina. Okay, just search for that plugin and you can see that Sina extension for Elementor. Just install it and active it properly. After that you have to just create a one page for login. Just go to the new page tab and click on the new page and add the page name login here. Add just title name here login and add it with the Elementor, right? Click on the edit with Elementor button. Elementor is loading successfully in some time. Just wait for that and just click on the plus icon here for the structure. Just create the structure for the page and you can see that, and just click on the again the plus icon of that structure created and drag and drop the inner section, right? The left side is for the image, right, and the right side is for the login. Just drag and drop the image from left side, right, and you can search for the login form and just drag and drop the login page right side, right. Just click on the image section and upload the image. Just click on that, choose the image from the library. You can search that type of image from the free pick. Now change the style of the login. You have to just go to the style tab of this login form and go to the email tab to just give the width of that field. I'm just giving the field width email. After that, going to the password tab and just add the width of it. Now give the width of submit button. You can find it and just give the width of that login button. You can see that yes, this is the width of the button. Just give the 4150 the width of the login button. You can also give the radius of the login button for better look. Just give the radius. I'm also giving the radius to the username and password tab here. You can see that I'm giving the email section radius and the password sections. Yeah, okay, that's looking perfectly. Now it's aligned to the vertical alignment middle. Okay, it's looking perfect. Now go to the heading tab and just drag and drop that. Give the name to that heading login and just choose the size whatever you want to choose. I'm choosing here middle or large. Yes, large is perfectly. You can see that. Now give the hover effect to the image. Give the hover effect on the image. Just choose the one that you like. I'm just choosing bounce in, right. Now go to the sections and give the column gap to the wider for the better look. And I also want to just give the shadow effect of this login section. Just give the margin for that also. I'm giving just 100 margin for this section. And if you want to give the shadow of this particular section, then click on that section of login and just go to the style and give the shadow, border shadow or box shadow, you can see, and just click on the public button and just have a look at how it's looking. Yeah, but the image is still not looking perfect. Now I want to change this image hover effect. For that, just go to that and I'm just selecting bounce out. Now refresh that page again and see the, yes, it's looking perfectly now. Just click on the login and you have to redirect to the dashboard. Right now we have created login page. Now add it to the menu section. Just go to the appearance and go to the menu sections and just add this login page from left side. Yes, and just save this menu. You can see that. Refresh the page and you can see the login tab and just click on that tab. You can see that, yes, login page created successfully. Thank you.